So these are Kathy's pears, and you'll notice that they're growing on a wire. And this is called espalier. It's a French technique for growing fruit, and it works really, really well. It really good air circulation. Don't get a lot of problems with fungus and rust and blight and things like that. And I really, really like it. Now, if you look at my apple orchard down here, you'll see that it's the traditional way of doing it. And I'm going to slowly convert that now to espalier. And I'll keep you informed on my progress. And we're climbing up Cooper Spur, up on Mount Hood. And here you can see the glacier. And yeah, it's pretty impressive and a great hike.
Yeah.